guys, it's Sergio.
And Sheila.
And we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right guys, today we're in Midway Hollow, only minutes away from North Park Mall, also really close to the Dallas Love Field Airport, and only 15 minutes to downtown Dallas. But Sheila, give us more information about this one.
Yes, this is built in 2025. It's a 4-bedroom, 4 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 3,688 square feet. It's currently listed at $1,450,000, which is $393 price per square foot, and it's sitting on a 0.16 acre lot, which is roughly 6,800 square feet.
Fantastic. Thanks, Sheila, for that information. Now, guys, I want to remind you, if you're looking to buy or sell here in the Dallas area, and you want to partner with true luxury agents with over 10 years experience, well, that is Sheila and I. You get 2 agents instead of 1, and we're also part of the #1 luxury broker in town, Ali Beth Allman and Associates. So, all that being said, let's go check out this house.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour. Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property. And if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Hey, perhaps you're interested in selling your house for top dollar in today's market, where we can help you with all your buyer or seller needs. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking the link down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.